Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a CME that we want to install. Bought this specifically for the Shaman because it always had the red one when I had the red fat carbon scales. But I learned that they make these now for the Shaman, and he's perfected the process so that this was way less expensive. So I thought, let's go for it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have to take this off and then apply it. So that's the first step. I've got to break that off. And I don't know if I have to take the knife apart, so I have all my stuff here just in case. But we will see if I need to do that. Oh, I do not. There we go. I was able to get that off with just popping it off. So now I need to clean that off. So here we go. Usually I use one of these tools right here. I can get in there and scrape it a bit. So just so you know, I need to remove the glue here. And while I do that, I also scratch a little bit of the steel so the glue applies better. Now this is the steel CME, so I want to, I got super glue stuff I want to get off of there. I want to make sure the steel, the glue that attaches titanium in the steel works well. I'm going to make sure I'm in camera too, sorry. Yeah, there's still some of the glue on here. I want to just make sure that doesn't cause an issue because we want to prep this up. All right, so this is going to fit on here like that, and then when I close it, this should close right on here like that. So now, before I do that, I wanted to polish this. So I'm going to move my stuff off over here for a second, and before we use all the stuff we're going to do to apply it, bring over my Dremel and a little Flitz polish. Should be pretty simple to do. I got a little polishing bit. Got a ton more of those in case I need it, but we'll start off with this one here. All right, hopefully this is oops. This will be a little more challenging so I don't lose it. I do not know how well, oops, I'm dropping stuff, how well that's polishing. Let's take a look. It's getting there. It's not as polished as I would like it to be, but it's definitely getting there. So we'll do some more. Okay. All right, it needs to be a little polished on this side. Okay. All right, I just want to make sure this looks good. Trying to see if I have any scuff marks. I believe that's my mistake right there. But it's not noticeable as much. I've buffed it out pretty well. I think right there it could be. Boy, I'm trying to hold this thing. It's so small. Just need to get that right angle there. I think that's it. I think we're good. Now I gotta just clean my hand off. Put the flits away. Boy, this stuff gets all over your hand, doesn't it? All right. All right, this is instant adhesive. Let's see, is this open? Oh my, oh my. God bless America. The only non-benefit of having a very slick titanium CME is that it slips out of your hand all the time. All right, so let's see if we can get this on here now. Wow, that is really starting to stick on my hand, isn't it? All right, boy, I got glue everywhere. So the trick is to get it on there, to let it sit. Now it's got to stay like this for, I don't know, for a while. I got glue that got to the side, and I'm trying to see if I can scrape that off without messing with the CME. I'm hoping this glue is super permanent and it won't come off. It's gonna look nice, but I'm gonna have to try to get that layer of glue that kind of got around there. Hopefully I can polish that off. And we will let that sit and dry. So yeah, that's really all there's to it. I mean, it's tedious. Glue, make sure you don't get it on yourself. Obviously, polish off the CME. I think it's gonna look really nice, assuming I can get that glue off. Otherwise, I'll have to take it off, polish it again, and try to reapply it another time. I mean, that is the possibility, right? But hopefully this works. Hey, if you have any questions about this, let me know. If you found this, I'll put this up here. How about that? Hey, if you found this fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel. Allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, and then who subscribes. And I sure appreciate it. You guys are amazing. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video. To all my channel members, a big thank you. Appreciate you guys. Especially those of you who've been here since the beginning, those who joined along the way, and those who recently joined. Wow, I'm humbled by it. It blows me away. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Small way for me to say thank you is I do a once a month members giveaway. Really exclusive, kind of super nice knife. I want to make sure everyone gets a chance to win that if you're a member. So, you know, hey, I just want to let you know it's my way to say thank you. And if you also, as a member, if you just joined recently, email me with your name and address. Love to send you a sticker. And do that for all the new members. And if you've been a member for a while and you haven't asked for a sticker yet and you're still a member, email me as well. I'd love to send you a sticker as well. Really do appreciate you guys. You have no idea. Check out the link below. There's 3 levels if you're interested. If any of you guys are on the fence or interested in being a member, I would love to have you. Please don't feel obligated. Only if you want to. And yeah, I appreciate you just being here for the conversations, for the chats, for the live streams, and you know, watching the content. I appreciate it. So thank you to every one of you. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great stay there. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.